Well, it's that time of year again, and the spring rains have flooded the lower end of my property. And not a lot of anything we can do about this because it's just the bottom end of the hill and it backs up against the town road. Water comes rolling down Kilauea and stops right here. Ditch there on the town road. Town road drops down to this point. It drops down from that point too, and so it just kind of falls. Just kind of falls in here. Nothing we can do with it. Just got to live with it. The cool part of it, though, the totally cool part, I switched from cabbages to taro, and so the taro put up with the flooding. The bananas, especially apple, there put up with the flooding. They like that water. So the best part of all this flooding is I love using natural forces, and here we have water that accumulates during storms. It comes into this region, and the one really positive thing that it does, slugs cannot swim. You see that guy right there? He is drowning. And there are many others out there under the water that weren't lucky enough to get up on top of the wire like that one did. Most of them are down underneath there drowning. I see this one right there. He can't make it to the top. He's a goner. Now, I admit they're kind of hard to spot in the camera here with the rain falling on top of it, but there are dozens and dozens and dozens of slugs out there that just cannot swim, and they're drowning. Same thing happened last year. Flood came in here, and every time it came in, more and more slugs just drown. See right there, there's a cluster of them. I see 3. There's a 4th one right up there. Whole bunches of them, especially the Cuban slugs. They don't swim well. So there you have it, folks. When nature hands you a low spot, drown your slugs in it. I just wish I could figure out how to lure all the slugs from the rest of the property in this one location. If I could find a perfect slug bait, you know, put it out there ahead of a good flood, we could get them all in here and drown them all in one shot. Aloha, happy gardening.